do unboxing of Samsung Galaxy 8. So let's begin. This is it, pancit. Why is it so hard? Oops, address. Oh my god, it's heavy.
Is it?
That away.
Is it?
Yeah, it's too fardy. Why is my hand so dark? I'm gonna cut that anyway.
Why?
Why is my hand so dark?
You cut your hands in the front of that. Beautiful.
So here it is. 2018 Samsung Galaxy 8. I don't know why it's so dark. Where's the button? Oh my god. No, it's very pangit. The shadow in it. No. Not pangit. Pangit, di. You can see the shadow. See? That's better. That should be alright. Hang on, can you just put that on auto? Just see where's the difference.
It's on auto, isn't it?
No, it's on that. Where's the record?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. Shaking.
So here it is, Samsung Galaxy 8, and the color is black.
Suspense.
Oh my god, wait.
Huh?
Ta-da. Oops. So it's still sealed.
Maybe.
Ay, sus, maybe. No, maybe it's already open.
iPhone?
No, too late. Samsung Galaxy 8. This comes with... Oh, it's a pin. There's a pin. What's the pin for? Get your SIM.
No, that's the same as iPhone. What's the cover too?
Start guide. Oh, it's got a cover. That's good.
Don't tell me the phone.
Your SIM. Yeah, it's got a cover. A start guide. And here it is. Ah! It's got a charger. A cable for the charger. What's this? A headset? It's a headset. And a card reader. Oh, what's this for?
What is that?
What's this for?
What's that?
What's this for? USB connector. So that's a USB connector, a headset. So this is 32 gig, but it's expandable. So iPhone 7 versus Samsung Galaxy A8. So that's the difference. Size difference. I need something to protect. That's better. Now,
SIM card's open.
just leave the plastic. Where's the SIM card?
There, in the iPhone.
Where'd the SIM card go? Where's the thing? So when you open the SIM...
So what's the difference?
Oh!
Remember all the other Samsungs? The backs come off
Huh?
to put the SIMs in?
No, it doesn't come off.
No, the old Samsungs.
The old Samsung is that the back come off and this one doesn't.
Yeah.
So the SIM is in the side.
The copy of the iPhone.
Lola.
That's
So this is where the SIM goes.
Nice memory.
It's a SIM.
See?
Where's the memory? Where'd the memory go? Oh, there on top, I think. So there's something here. What's this? What is this? What? You should read the instruction.
Who's doing it? Just pull the SIM out, put the SIM in.
I know. Yes, actually, I like that.
That's there.
Oh, that's a micro SD. So this one's the micro SD goes on top. SIM card goes on how?
Or we could pull more SIM
In the
card
back?
out. You could pull. Just said
Allah, it won't fit. Does fit. Oh my god. Are you supposed to turn it on first?
no. Put your one in.
There's a SIM card and
You don't need that from here.
a memory card on top. Oh my god, what a background. Now, this is very fail unboxing.
You'll take that off.
No, just leave it.
Well, how come?
Ayo!
No, but the front. You gotta take the front off to see when it starts.
Leave the back.
Yeah.
Oh my god. So that's how it looks like. Now the power button is where?
There. In front of
Where?
Look. Put it down.
It's flat.
That's as long as it goes.
Ay, sus, Mariusip. Ay, ay, my God. It's tall Heidi. Oh my God. Wait.
So I can't lower it. Now I can use this. Where?
It's crooked.
What's crooked?
Ago, it's recording na gyud, oy. Na. Basta kata.
I put it in the box. So tire.
That's fine.
Yeah. Try that. Just quite the rear. There's a cover.
Buang. What? Okay, what's the oh my God, oh, this is very iskata. Where's my telephone? Up here. Up here. It's in here. Come on, D. D. Where's the password? Memory card. I mean, internet. Yeah. Password. What are you doing? Are you serious? Now, do you want to use it or what? I mean, you want to use it? Do you want to use it?
How can I use it?
No, until Marvin comes. I mean, yours come.
Yeah, I suppose. Yeah.
So here you go, guys. The Samsung Galaxy A8. So it's got no home button. Where's the home button? So here it is.